morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we will be exploring the real life applications of the trigonometry. And you will realize that trigonometry is just not another chapter in math. It is an invaluable tool that is used widely in our real life situations. And you would have often wondered, how do we know the heights of the tall mountains and the heights of the ancient monuments? These all made possible due to trigonometric concepts. In social, you have studied the highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest. That height is 8,848 meters. How do we know about this height? And Kuntala waterfalls. Do you remember? Do you know any one of you guys about Kuntala waterfalls?
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
located in
Telangana.
Telangana, yeah, Adilabad district.
Okay.
It is one of the most highest waterfall in Telangana state. Okay, and to take some examples, I will make you understand through some examples. Okay, one girl is there. She wants to find the height of the palm tree. First small thing we just This is a tree. One girl, she is standing here, away from the tree, somewhere else. Okay. Now she wants to find the height of this tree. Then what she has to do? She is locating the topmost point of the tree. Okay, and she imagines a line from her eye to the topmost point of the tree. I am just drawing this one line. This is called line of sight. This is called line of sight. And also she imagines the horizontal line from the tree to her eye. This is what? Horizontal line. Line. If you just observe that one, this tree and this horizontal line and line of sight, these three made an which triangle? Right angled triangle. Okay. And here one angle is made. This is of, let it be theta. This theta is called, this angle is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Yeah. If it is angle of elevation, the horizontal line above the horizontal line, the line of sight line would be there. Okay, this theta is called angle of elevation. We have to draw like this with tree, we could not be measured. That's why we can draw with lines. Let it be tree. And the girl here standing. And she is looking upwards. When she looks upwards, the topmost of the point here it is given. Then what happens? Her head, she has to raise her head up. Okay, when you just, it will come to know that is angle of elevation will occur, will be made in between horizontal line and the tree. This is going to be tree. You can put some names A, B, C, D. What is C, D? C, D is the girl height. If the girl height is 4 feet, I am giving 4 feet. Okay, she is looking. Up to here, how much it would be? 4 feet. She is looking upwards. the angle of elevation, they give us 45 degrees. You have to find the height of the tree. Okay, with these measures we have to find. How can we find? Here we have to know the another one also we can measure. That is the foot of the tree and where she is standing, between the distance between the foot of the tree and her, we can find. If it is 15 meters, 15 feet, okay, all are in feet, no, that's why. If it is 15 feet, this is going to be 50 feet. We need to find A, B, C, D here, where it intersects, there I am writing as E. How many in this one triangle is there? What is that? AED is right angled triangle. From that we need to find AE. As you have done lot of problems from 11, exercise 11 already in trigonometry. You know the values, tan 45,
Yes.
all those things you know. What is the relation of opposite to theta and adjacent to theta? This is adjacent to theta. What is the relation? Tan. Do you remember? Yeah. Then tan 45 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite we don't know. By adjacent we know. 15. You know the tan 45 value is 1. Then opposite is going to be how much?
15.
Yeah, 1 by 15. That's why opposite going to be 15 feet. This is 15 feet. Her height is 14 feet. Then the tree, what is the height of the tree? 15 plus 4. How much it would be? 19 feet. In this way, here they did not use any rope, anything. Simply just if we have known the distance between the foot of the object and where you are standing, enough for that. And the angle of elevation also very easy. Just line of sight and horizontal line we have to draw and we can find the height of the tree. Got it? One more example I would like to say. That is, one building is there. Okay? There is a building. I am drawing the building in such a way. Okay. If you are standing on the top of the building and you want to find the where what it is, this is a statue, let it be a statue. You want to find the distance from the statue and the building on where you are standing, means from here to here. If you look downwards, here you are looking downwards, yeah, just base, this is base of the statue, you are looking downwards, and here the distance between the statue and where the building is, it is easy to find, can measure, and from here to here you want to find where you are standing, here you are standing. Then okay, this is what? Line of sight. Line of sight. When you see downwards, what you do? Your head will be lower. You just make your head lower and you look at it. Okay. Now what happens? Horizontal line. Another one is also we need horizontal line. Here the horizontal line is above the line of sight. When you found the tree height, at that time the horizontal line is where the horizontal line? Below the line of sight. Here above the line of sight. The line of sight, considered to line of sight, is below the horizontal line.
Yes.
Okay, and the line of sight is above the horizontal line. You can just, whatever, vice versa, you can think of it. But where the angle is made here? Here the angle is made. horizontal line and line of sight, the base you are looking. Then what happens? Here it is there. When you come to draw the lines, at that time you have to draw in such a way. This is building. Yeah, you want to find the statue, something is here. Yeah, you want to find from base to where you are standing on the building. So this is the here horizontal line, and the line of sight would be here 90 degrees. Where it occurred? Okay, I am writing ABC as usual. But on seeing, you will come to know this is horizontal line, this is also horizontal. Foot of the building and the object between. So, these both are, what are the lines? Parallel lines. When parallel lines are there, opposite interior angles are equal. This is theta. Then this is going to be theta. Okay. How easy this is? You can find by using trigonometric ratios. If it is given that you want to find, okay, 30 degrees or 60 degrees. 60 shall I write? 60. From here to here, 10 meters distance is there. Let. You want to, what do you want to find? BC. Where you are standing? Here you are standing. You want to find the distance from the building on where you are standing, there to the statue. So you want to find the hypotenuse. Line of sight. Okay. Hypotenuse. This is going to be this, you know. Yeah.
At the center by, but in the cos theta we should use.
What we need to use? Cos theta. Cos 60 is equal to adjacent 10 meters by hypotenuse. We don't know BC. Shall I write BC simply? Cos 60 value? What is the value of cos 60? Sin 30 cos 60. 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by BC. Then BC is equal to how much? 20. What is the hypotenuse given? 20 meters. You can find easily the line of sight from where you are standing and there to the statue, distance between the statue and where you are standing. How easy this is? So trigonometry, how it is useful. The one more example I would like to say. If you are standing on the same building or wherever it is off, but upwards you are standing. Look at it. This is the building. You are standing here, but you want to find the outside of the road. One tower is there. Tower is more taller than the building. Okay. Let it be the tower. This is higher than the building and taller than the building. So, if you want to find the height of the tower, what you would do? First, you have to look.
Line of sight.
Yeah, to make a line of sight, downside. And we have to look upside. Angle of elevation. Here, angle of depression. Did I say? Yeah, when you look downside, the line of sight, what we make, at that time, it made an angle is called angle of depression. Here, what is this? Horizontal line. Line of sight. This one also line of sight. Yeah. Okay. And you are looking upside. When you look upside, towards upside, what would you do? You just your head rise. Then the angle is made is called angle of elevation. And theta 1 I am writing. Here what you do? Your head, you just lower your head. Then here theta 2.
Theta 2.
Angle of,
depression.
yeah, shall I write angle of depression? And this is what? This is what? Horizontal line. Means here, can you understand? Angle of elevation, angle of depression. And the line of sight is above the horizontal line. Here line of sight is below the horizontal line. Okay. Now I will ask how to find this one. Okay, on just we have to figure it out again without buildings, just with lines. Then we can just find the height of the tower by using trigonometric concepts. Okay, angle of depression, these both are coinciding. Yeah. Yeah, and one more thing, these both are considered to refer the horizontal line. Got it? With the reference of horizontal line, we consider that line of sight, whether it is angle of elevation or angle of depression. I want to just make one figure with the help of this one information. Let it be tower and let it be building. This is going to be angle of elevation. This is going to be angle of depression here. Okay. Theta 1, theta 2, it was given. This is going to be 45 degrees, let it be. And here, if it is 60 degrees, this is going to be, these both are parallel lines. This one and this one, both are parallel lines. Shall I put A, B is the building. Building. And C and D is tower. Tower. Okay, here the line, horizontal line where we have drawn from her eye to the tower is E. Okay, next you need to find the distance is very easy to measure from here to here. Let it be okay, 10 meters. I am writing simply. Let it be 10 meters. You need to find what would you like to find? The height of the tower. Okay, now how to find the height of the tower? First tan 45. This is 10. So this is going to be 10 meters. Shall I erase this side? We have written all those things, line outside, all over. Okay. How many triangles are there? 2 are there. Right angle triangle. AED and ABC. From AEB. AEB. Tan 45 is equal to?
AED.
Tan 45 is equal to?
AED.
Opposite. DE by 10.
Not AEB. AED.
AED. Okay. From AED. Okay. Tan 45 is equal to opposite DE by adjacent 10. Directly I am writing because we have to do lot of problems. It is very easy. From this DE is equal to 10 meters. We can write this is going to be 10 meters. This is 10 meters. Yeah, here angle of depression, how much? 60 degrees. Now, tan 60 is equal to from triangle ABC. Tan 60 is equal to?
AB by 10.
AB by 10. You know the root 3 tan 60 value is equal to AB by 10. That implies AB is equal to 10 root 3. This is going to be 10 root 3. This is going to be 10 root 3. We could find the building height also, not only tower. Did you notice? Next one is what we are doing. CD is the tower. The height of the tower is going to be, CD is CE plus ED. 10 root 3 plus 10. 10. Root 3 plus 1. 10 into root 3 value 1.732 plus 1. 10 into 2.732, which is equal to 27.32 meters. How easy? This is the way to find. Just simply when you are looking, that just imagine the line. With imagine line, and we can measure the angle, and the angle we know, and the distance we can measure, because distance is not more than infinitive distance we can't. That's why it is easy to find. After that, you can find the height of the given objects. How easy? Okay, from next class onwards, we are going to solve lots of problems based on these trigonometric concepts, and remaining things also, trigonometric ratios, and sometimes we need to use reciprocals and identities also, if it is necessary. Okay.